Hi guys, it's Giselle again. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do Boxycharm's unboxing for the month of April, my birthday month. Yay! So, a couple of disclaimers for this video. Yes, it's going to be that kind of video. First disclaimer, I've opened it, seen it, swatched it, you know, I don't have patience to wait. Second disclaimer, I've seen other YouTubers' reviews on this Boxycharms box, and I'm a little jealous. I'm not gonna lie, a little jealous. I feel like mine isn't that great this month, but it's okay. It's that like festival kind of thing, and I'm not really into like bright colors, but it'll do. Just some other people got like better boxes, I think. But let me know what you guys got. Let me know what you guys think. Maybe I'm just being, you know, a little Betty Downer. So, let's get into it. This is the box. And $21 a month. I believe you can cancel at any time. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I believe so. If I'm not mistaken. Okay, I had it's a little blurry. The light's a little funky today because it's raining and cloudy. I hope it's sunny wherever you guys are at. So first things first, let's see, where is the card? We got this card with the box. It says, Peace, Love, and Boxy. It's a cute card this month. And the first thing we got is palette. This pure palette, well, how about I show you it the right way? Pure palette. It is, the name is Festival, 12-piece pressed pigment palette. So, you open it, it's a cardboard box. It has a huge mirror inside. And look at those colors. Aren't they amazing? I think they're really, really pretty. Let's see. Okay. So, I'm going to swatch a few of these. Wild Child is the hot pink one. We're going to do Sunset, a nice coral. And let's do Hidden Desert. And then this glitter one, 24 karat. Ooh. Alright, those are the swatches. That glitter is pretty amazing. But, so, it's definitely, I don't know if you can tell, but next to it, it's like little glitter flecks. So I feel like it's going to be one of those glitters that wherever you put, it's going to stay there. You can't kind of blend it out. I feel like the Stila ones, you can press it a little bit more out just to blend it in more. But these, wherever you put it first, that's where it needs to stay. So those are cute. They seem very pigmented. I like so far. Okay, sorry about that. The camera was a little weird. I don't know what's going on today with my phone. Alright, so the next things I'm going to show you are the Luxie brushes. The first one is the large shader, which is always good for, it's always good for, you know, blending out. I don't really use these a lot, but thanks to Boxycharm and, what is this, Luxie brushes, I now have a collection of brushes. Always fun. The next one is the small contour. Now this one I definitely can see myself using to create the contours that I don't have. Okay, so that is a small contour brush that you could really use to set the under eye, and that's what I probably will use it for because I don't really contour. And then we have this lovely Appeal holographic lip gloss. It definitely has a purple pink shift to it. Now, when I put it on earlier, of course, I can't see it. Maybe you guys can. I definitely see a more pink shift, but I don't see too much purple. Maybe now I do, but. So, it's really pretty. It's like a lip gloss. Well, it is a lip gloss. But I like it. It has a nice pink shift. I think it's cute. Nothing too crazy. And then we have the Bodyography. I don't know why I say Bodyologic. Is that a brand? Bodyography Bally Bronze. And this is, so it's not the creamiest pencil ever. Just to give you guys a heads up. That's it right there. It's a bronzy, beautiful color. Really metallic-y, but it's not creamy. It's kind of hard actually. So I don't know how that would be near your eye. And then we have the highlighter, if I could find it. We have the Artist Couture Purple Dream Diamond Glow Powder. So this little one gave me a bit of trouble because there's that sticker on the bottom where you have to peel it off to get the powder out. It's messy. It is messy, messy. So this highlighter definitely has a purpley pink shift. I did put some on my cheekbones and then down the bridge of my nose. I don't think you can tell. You can't see the purpley shift, but when I look at it, I can see it. There's glitter flexes in there, which I'm not a huge fan of, but I feel like they go away after a few seconds. So what's left is that kind of gleam of purpley pink. So I'm gonna have to work with that one and see how that goes because it's not my favorite right now. So that is the box. What do you guys think? It wasn't like my favorite, but it's still cute. I'm definitely gonna use a lot of the stuff, so that's always good, and see how they go and how, you know, maybe with different uses I'll feel different. But yeah, let me know what you guys got in your box. I'm very curious to know. And I hope you guys all have a great weekend. I think it's gonna rain here, so kind of bummed. But still, at least it's spring, and we're praying for no snow. But everyone have a great one. I will see you in my next video. Bye.